In this video, we will discuss compareTo function in string handling. Okay, so compareTo function will return an integer value. If both strings are same, it will return 0. If first string is less than 0, if first string is less than second string, it will return negative value. Otherwise it will return positive value. Okay, now I will explain some examples. So here first we are going to give two string variable, string s1 equal to apple, then second string is also I'm giving s2 equal to apple. Okay, so now what is system.out.println s1 dot compareTo s2. System.out.println short form I using SOPLN. So now what is the answer? Both strings are same. The output will be 0. Okay, that is the first case. Both strings are same, it will return 0. Okay, then another example. Suppose string s2, it means string s1 equal to s1 equal to what, apple, then s2 equal to string s2 equal to suppose banana. Okay, now what is answer? That means system.out.println s1 dot compareTo s2 is the answer will be, here we have to take the ASCII code of capital letter A. What is ASCII of A? ASCII of A is 65. Then ASCII of, then we have to take the, that means first letter itself there is a difference, right? So we are considering the first character of each word. So ASCII of B is 66. So the difference is 65 minus s1 dot compareTo. So we have to minus ASCII code of B from ASCII code of A. So 65 minus 66 is minus 1. That is the second case. First string is less than second string, right? That means ASCII code difference is minus 1. So negative value s1 is, if s1 is less than s2, we will get a negative value. Okay, now the third case. Third case, here I am taking another string st1 equal to commerce, then string st2 equal to computer. Okay, so what is the difference? How will we compare it? Compare computer Okay, system.out.println st1 dot compareTo compare to st2s. How to do this? Here first characters are same in both string, second one is same, third characters are also same, but only, the difference start from fourth character. So we have to take the ASCII code of M and the ASCII code of P. That means, what is ASCII of M? ASCII of M is 77. Then ASCII of P is 80. Okay, so what is the difference? 77 minus 80, that is minus 3. Okay, so we have to take the ASCII code of the both the characters are same. We have to consider the characters. Where is the difference? Okay, now let us see another example for compare to. Okay, suppose string s1 equal to king. This is another case. String s2 equal to kingdom. Okay, how to compare these two strings? System.out.println s1 dot compare to s2 What is the answer now? That means here the number of characters are different for comparison. 4 characters are same in both sentence, both words, but second word contains 7 characters, right? So we have to count the characters. For these cases we have to count the characters. So S1, how many characters? 4 characters. S2, 7 characters. So 4 minus 7 equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is the output. If it is S2 dot compare to S1, suppose S2 dot compare to S1 is the question, so you should take a 7 minus 4. Okay, so you will get a 3. This is the output. Okay.